Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today on Tool Talk episode 13, we're going to be going into the Ernst wrench rails. I think I've went over them in the past, but I want to do an update on them. But now that I'm comfortably in my new house and have my garage basically set up how I want, stay tuned for either my next video or so where I finish up the garage renovation / setup so you guys can see that. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. But if you guys haven't checked out my Toolbox widget video, go ahead and check that out. They sent me some wrench organizers and I absolutely love them. So I'll show you them real quick as well. But today we're going to be talking about the Ernst wrench rails, and they have a couple different styles. They have the gripper type where it actually holds the wrenches. I don't care personally too much for those because I don't like having to hold the wrench rail down and pulling a wrench out, or I just like to be able to walk up, grab my wrench and go. But they have those, and Ernst is reasonably priced as well. And everything will be linked down in the description for you guys on Amazon if you guys are interested. Then they have a low profile style of what I'm about to show you. And the style I show you, it's just two individual rails that you set up at an angle in order to hold wrenches. They also have one with a magnet on the bottom. You pay a couple dollars more, you get a magnetic strip on the bottom of the rails, but it's that magnet tape. So if you have drawer liners, I spoke to them when I bought these a couple years ago. They're not really strong enough to hold through a drawer liner. So if you're a truck mechanic that travels, or if you have a tool cart that you push around the shop a lot, or like me, these did fine while at home or at the shop, but transporting them places, they did not work. So if you're moving your toolbox around, this set of wrench rails is probably not the best. But I'll show them to you. That's really the only downside to them. They got a great price, $10 to $20 for a set that holds 40. And you can get them in red or black, so you can do your SAE and metric. So it's pretty handy, but I'll show you an image of what happened when I transported this box. And it wasn't a rough ride or anything. It's only a few miles down the road and didn't hold up very well. But not a big deal if you're not moving your toolbox. Let's get into this. These are the Ernst wrench rails, not the gripper style, not the low profile style. It's just simply two rails and you kind of offset them. Sorry, got that backwards. Kind of offset them like that. And each one holds 20. And when you buy a set, you get these two and these two that I'm using. That's $10 to $20 right there. And then the same thing goes for the black set as well. Now, like I was saying, you can get these with that magnetic tape on the bottom, but it's not strong enough to go through this drawer liner anyways, so I wasn't about to pay the extra couple of dollars. Another thing is, it's pretty annoying if your wrench set is more than 20 or possibly less than 20 pieces. It all depends, because like as you can see here, I have my entire DeWalt set, and then my Matco ratcheting starts here, goes up and finishes over here. And to some that might not bother them. To me, it's pretty annoying, but I can live with it. Overall, the quality is good. I mean, it's durable. They haven't, I've had them for about 2 years and they've done great, just not traveling or moving it around the shop or anything like that. I would suggest something that's a little bit more sturdy. And then they have a low profile set just in case you have like a small drawer or something that you want to put wrenches in, like some 1¼ inch drawers or anything like that. But I'm also going to show you the wrench rails that I absolutely love, that I did a video on from Toolbox Widget, and that is their wrench rail. And if you guys haven't checked out the video, I'll try and put a little link up here. If not, literally just type in Toolbox Widget. Either on my channel or a few others have posted great videos as well, so check them out. But they're about $20 for a box of 14, I believe. It holds 14 wrenches, I believe, if I remember correctly. But they're different sizes, so you can adjust it to any drawer. You can adapt them. They're magnetic on the bottom, really strong. I mean, these things are not going anywhere. And then they have a light magnet on the inside that holds the wrenches as well. This is exactly how this drawer looked after transporting it to the new house. And now I'm about to post a picture up in here of this box when I transported it in the same trailer right next to this box. And it took me about an hour and a half to reset up all these wrenches to try and figure out how they fit best. And it got to be pretty annoying. Now, don't take that as like me saying don't buy these wrench rails, because Ernst, there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. They're really well priced. They work well, as long as the toolbox doesn't move. That's my take on it. And if you don't mind having either empty spots open depending on your wrench set, or you might need to get another set of them if your wrench set is, you know, more than the 20 that it holds. And then you just got to deal with, you know, that type of stuff. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the Ernst wrench rails, and if you've heard of the Toolbox widget, let me know what you guys think of those as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.